there is second passage on the lesson, the fall of the Troy. Question number: read the passage carefully and complete the activities. A1 simple factual activity. Correct the following sentences using facts from the passage. The Greek armies and heroes always defeated the Trojans. Second sentence: both the enemies were eager to continue fighting. Passage page number 69-67. The fighting went on daily, but the siege dash, but still the fighting went on. Complex factual activity. State the counteraction for the following actions. Hector was killed by Achilles. Second sentence: the siege continued for 10 long years. The fighting went on daily. Second question: who were the brave heroes on either side who were killed in the war? How? A3 vocabulary based activity. Find antonyms of the following from the passage. Offended, peace, exposed, begin. Write the words related to war from the passage. A4 grammar. Underline the error and correct the sentence. But the siege did not ended. Second sentence: every day the people coming out on their gates. Third sentence: both the armies lost great heroes. Next sentence: still later Paris himself was killed. A5 personal response. Which of the following are the adverse effect of war? Tick them in the given box. First sentence: many people are killed. Second: the country gains fame and glory. Third: they lose peace in the land. Fourth: thousands are wounded. 5. Soldiers enjoy fighting. 6. Those who won the war became rich and famous. Now complete the passage in your notebook as well as your